Hey guys, welcome to this week's Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. We're up here at the Wall Lake plant in the Gourmet Kitchen Center with Mr. Speed, the sauceman. So, what are you doing? There's
vegetables. Beats me, Dan. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
There's vegetables in that.
No, yes, what this is, it's ground venison,
yeah,
seasoned with Cookies flavor enhancer. Then I browned it down. Then I chopped up about 2 cups of cabbage and threw that in there with it, put a little water on it and steamed it through. And we're going to let this steam through a little bit. It's got that flavor enhancer on the venison, so it's going to be, that deer was happy knowing it was going to get sprinkled with a little flavor enhancer.
Yeah.
And now we're going to throw on a little Korean sauce on it. And I'll tell you what, this goes great on a sandwich. You can put it over rice. You can just throw it on a plate like you and I are going to do when I get done here and eat it.
Well, you know, and if you're really trying to be health conscious, you just, like Speed said, just dish it up in your favorite deal. Now, this is brand new sauce. This is the Korean stuff,
right? Yeah, this
right?
is the Korean stuff, yep.
Now, what inspired the Korean sauce?
Well, I like the Asian flavors a little, quite a bit, and did some experiment around. Then our son Jeff said, well, Dad, let me come up with a Korean sauce. So he started working on it, and it's good for stir fry, good on barbecue. We did it on pulled pork, we did it on barbecued beef, and also great on wings.
Well, it smells good. So a little Asian fusion cookies action going for you there.
And we put about a cup on here. Then we'll stir this through.
Do you know how many squeezes is a cup?
Yeah, just whatever I feel like. If you use too much sauce, I'll be the first to let you know.
Yeah.
I always tell people that when they're buying it. If you buy too much, I'll let you know.
Yeah, you'll never hear him complain about using too much sauce, folks. That's for sure. Now, you brown the ground venison. Now, when I do my venison, I brown them and I put a little white onion in there. But the secret about when you're cooking venison is you don't want to cook it.
No.
You don't want to overcook it.
Yeah. And what I did is I use a potato masher. I just put it out in a pan, put just a little bit of water with it because venison is real lean.
Yeah.
And then the flavor enhancer. And then as it was browning, I just hit it with a potato masher to keep it broke up real good.
It looks really good.
Not good?
That good. It's hot, too.
That comes from being on the stove.
Yeah. Boy, that's got great flavor to it. Boy, and that Korean sauce. You know, I don't know how you do it, but that's another winner, folks. I'm telling you what. If you love Asian and if you love venison, this is a dish you should try. Real quick, Speed, you grounded it, you steamed the cabbage and everything.
Mm-hmm. Sure did.
About how long?
I probably steamed the cabbage about 10 minutes just to get it, take a little of the crunch out of it. But I want to leave a little of the crunch in it because I think it just makes it taste better.
Yeah. Cabbage and anything else in there?
Nope.
That's it, huh?
Well, little cookie flavor enhancer on the venison.
On the venison.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a winner, folks. There you go. Venison cabbage stir fry with the new Cookies Korean sauce. Go check it out. That's going to wrap it up for this edition of the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Tradition Kitchen. Quit hogging that. That's good.
Oh, I wanted you to keep talking.
That's healthy.